Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to change your email in the Canva app on your phone in a simple and clear way so you can update your account details safely and quickly. Let's get started and follow the process carefully. First, open the Canva app on your phone. Next, tap on the More option in the bottom menu. Then, go to Settings. After that, click on your Profile section. Choose the Edit option next to your current email address. After that, Canva will send a verification code to your registered email, so open your inbox and copy the code. Next, paste the verification code back into the Canva app to confirm your identity. Then, you can enter your new email address carefully in the provided field. Finally, click on Save to update your email and complete the process. Please subscribe, like, share the video, and thanks for watching.